Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So the word on the streets is Monapule Saling is currently going to Kaizer Chiefs. Toward the player signed a pre-contract with Kaizer Chiefs, yabo, following a fallout with the Orlando Pirates. This comes after Orlando Pirates ingasheshi renew i-contract yaMonapule Saling with the Orlando Pirates, yabo. And le ndaba lezidale umfana uMonapule Saling akhethe ukujoyina i-rival ye-Orlando Pirates okuyi-Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs bafethu siyayazi yabo, in the history of i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-Kaizer Chiefs i-team ethandayo ukuba nequality yabadlali. Abo abadlali abaningi, they grew up supporting i-Kaizer Chiefs. There are many players kwi-Betway Premiership who grew up supporting i-Kaizer Chiefs. Yabo, players like uMonapule Saling, maybe growing up he dreamt of playing for i-Kaizer Chiefs, yabo. So i-Kaizer Chiefs ifikile ke yangqongqoza kumfana, yabo, ngama-rumors. I'm not saying into engiyizwile eyiqiniso, yabo. Ngama-rumors i-Kaizer Chiefs ifikile yangqongqoza umfana wabona imali ayiholayo, yabo. Nokubona imali ayiholayo compared to abafana abancane abadlala ku-Orlando Pirates, the DDC players and the players who recently been promoted from i-DDC, wabheka imali ayiholayo waqhathanisa nale i-Kaizer Chiefs ebim-offerisha yona. Umfana kuthiwa usayine i-pre-contract with i-Kaizer Chiefs. Menikhumbula kahle ke seke ngashaya i-video before talking about i-pre-contract ngama-rumors aye-speculate, yabo. Last year uMonapule Saling wamiswa yi-Orlando Pirates uthi angadlali for i-Orlando Pirates. With what reasons nobody knows. I-team ayikazi iphume publicly ikhuluma le ndaba yoMonapule Saling, yabo. Indaba esazizwa sezwe kuthiwa uMonapule Saling akekho right, khona umuntu ongekho right emndenini wakhe, so umjida kumele simlinde kancane athi kuyilungisa yena, yabo. I-team ayikazi iphume lobala isitshele ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani ngomfana, yabo. Even i-management yakhe uMonapule Saling ayikazi iphume forward isitshele, yabo, ama-agents akhe, i-agency yakhe. So ngale indaba lezi ayiqala ukuphuma indaba ezikanje, yabo. The last time ngizwa nge-pre-contract noMonapule Saling ngangizwa ngale ndaba le ukuthi usayine i-pre-contract with iMamelodi Sundowns, yabo. But ke le indaba lezi ziloku ezibuya, yabo. Kwakuyi-Sundowns or i-Kaizer Chiefs, between those two big teams kwakuneteam eyodwa uMonapule Saling ayedecide ukuyijoyinela. Ingakho i-Orlando Pirates adecide ukumfreeza ukuthi azini ngoba ususayine i-pre-contract nama-rivals, because both of these teams, Mamelodi Sundowns same as i-Kaizer Chiefs, are rivals i-Orlando Pirates kwi-league, yabo. These teams bafuna ukuwina i-league, yabo. Kaizer Chiefs ifuna ukuyiwina i-league. Indlela si-recruiter ngakhona mawasubheke ama-players afuna i-Kaizer Chiefs right now, quality yodwa, yabo. Njengoba kuyi-quality yodwa, uMonapule Saling is one of those players ozo-add na i-quality lapha kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. So le indaba lezi angifuni uqamba zingizwisa ubuhlungu, angifuni ukuyikholwa kakhulu. Enye izinto le angifuni ukuyikholwa kakhulu, izinto indlela ezimingakhona right now with i-team noMonapule Saling azikho mnandi, yabo. From time to time la epagini lami siyakhuluma ngaMonapule Saling, but le indaba lezi I'm sure seyinazizwa before, sekayikhuluma before ngayo uMonapule Saling. Ngisho ukuthi uMonapule Saling he signed a pre-contract with i-team ekhona la ku-Betway Premiership enkulu, yabo. But akwaziwa ukuthi yipi leyo team, yabo. Ezinye zeyindaba nje lezo bafethu. But ke enye izinto engixakayo, angayisayina kanjani i-pre-contract ne-team ekubeni kwaphuma umbiko othi uMonapule Saling esayina i-deal Orlando Pirates. Le contract yokuqala ayisayina yayineminyaka emibili, and lo minyaka emibili Orlando Pirates ayi-activate, yabo. Ekusholo kona ukuthi njoba izophela nje i-contract yakhe, le minyaka le vele isi-activate, i-activatewa yini? I-Orlando Pirates, yabo. So uku-activatewa kale minyaka le kusho ukuthi umfana usazoqhubeka, kodwa kanjani ngoba thi usayine i-pre-contract ne-team noma mhlambe leyo minyaka emibili amanga, asazi. Because angifuni ukubelieve ukuthi kwamanga lo ukuthi uMonapule Saling wasayina i-2-year deal extension, because I'm sure umfana wayisayina le nto, noma mhlambe yinto eyafabricatwa umjida akekho happy ngayo. Enye izinto futhi engixakayo, uMonapule Saling uyajima, yabo. Ujima with the main team, yabo. Ujima with the main team, yabo. Ingwich khwebu ngempela le into ngempela edidayo, yabo. Into edidayo ukuthi uMonapule Saling angajoyina kanjani ama-rivals i-Orlando Pirates, yabo. Ufuna ukushaya le stunt esashaya uLuis Figo, yabo. Meniyazi ke iBarcelona neReal Madrid, those teams are rivals, yabo. akekho ongakwazi lokho, akekho umfunayo. Yabona nje between uMessi noRonaldo enye futhi rivalry iyakhuphula leyo rivalry. Yabo since way back kwakhona uLuis Figo ke back then. Yabo iBarcelona neReal Madrid. Yabo Luis Figo was playing for Barcelona. He was a big player playing for Barcelona and he switched sides. Yabo icontract yakhe yayisizophela with Barcelona. Wakhetha ungayirenew icontract yakhe. Yabo wakhetha ungayirenew icontract yakhe with Barcelona, wachuza ukujoina iReal Madrid. Isituation ikanjalo ke la. Isituation mase nibheka isituation yaMonapoly Saleng Orlando Pirates masuba neKaizer Chiefs. Yabo mina ngokwami nguMonapoly Saleng right now angazi noma mhlawumbe useyisayinile yini deal. Yabo usesayinile ku ink phansi phela kodwa phela i-pre-contract into vele usuyenzile. Yabo into usuyenzile because man kubulahle i-pre-contract awukwazi ukuyisayina. Yabo uyisayine kunya wakho ugcina uyisayina mase kusele 6 months. Yabo mase kusele 6 months in your contract, 6 months or 4 months in your contract uthi phela. I think u6 months yona correct word yabo engayibeka ngakhona. Yabo i-contract le sayinwa vele i-season masizophela, i-contract yakho masiphela with leyo team ofuna ukuyijoin. Yabo so umjida amahemhe asho njalo. Yabo athaza uzojoina iKaizer Chiefs. Ade bengibuza nje abantu about le ndaba le. Angifuna bengafuna uku-entertain because I'm not a fan of indaba ekanje. Yabo ngaphambilini abadlali abaswitcha ama-team kanje akubanga mnandi. Yabona nje Majoro, the last time Majoro switchile, for me Majoro so kuKaizer ezosijoina wangekho mnandi. Yabo I wasn't happy, I wasn't that. Yabo but ke right now it's like umlando uzoyiphinda another player uzosuka from iPirates ajoin iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo lento le it goes back to imali. Yabo because umjida ngokwami wayekhalela imali. It goes back to istory seyimali. Uthi umjida ayekho happy ngendlela ahawulela ngakhona. Umdlali mengekho happy zama ezumphathi uyayibona izithelo zakhe asinikeza sona egroundini. Zama ukumnikeza lamakinati awafunayo. Yabo yes ngiyazi amakinati mancane but zama umedela kumnikeze amakinati awu3, awumnikeze awumedela amakinati awu2 phezulu kolo3 abe namakinati athola amakinati awu5. Yabo ngafika ingane ezincane zizothola amakinati awu6 yena ethola amakinati awu3. Yabo akuyenzi sense lo. When I say amakinati I mean peanuts. Yabo kulabo abanga understand uthini amakinati. Yabo you cannot pay a player njengoMonapoly Saleng ama peanuts. You need to pay this guy ama wages angempela real money. Yabo but ke asazi ungangitshela nama comments uzizwa kanjani ngale ndaba le kaMonapoly Saleng joining iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo kusayina i-pre-contract ngabe ama rumors ayiqiniso yini noma cha. Yabo angifuna uqamba anginazi impendulo enganginikeza zona. Yabo eziphathekayo anginazo ngempela impendulo enganginikeza kona ezona but menikhumbula kahle seke ngashaya i-video before speaking about Monapoly Saleng signing a pre-contract with a big team. Yabo ku Betway Premiership ungayibheka nje le video le ikhona kulama video esengawenza before. Yabo lapho khona ngidetaila kahle umbiko engawuthola. Yabo lapho khona ngichaza kahle izinto engayithola. Yabo kubhaliwe article lapha ibhalwe umfoka Robert uIron Duke. Yabo uyena wayibhalile not the Iron Duke lesijwayele. Yabo not Iron lo munye kumjida. Yabo